ரொம்பவே பிரம்மாண்டமா நடத்திருந்தாங்க Velammal International School, and for me also it was a great opportunity, and for me to come here and see a lot of kids in numbers, spend time with some good human beings. I think it was a great thing for me, and I hope to come back here every now and then, and I really wish for a lot more success, and I'm sure they'll bring up a lot more kids to go on to achieve a lot more success as well. Thanks.
Really thank Velammal management for inviting me as a chief guest for this wonderful function. 3,000 almost 3,500 students வந்துட்டு ஒருங்கிணைச்சு இந்த மாதிரி வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஈவென்ட் நடத்துறது அவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம். My heartiest congratulations to the management and the whole team. வந்து தான் பார்க்குறேன் அந்த கேம்பஸ் வந்துட்டு இவ்வளோ பெரிய huge campus. Can see so many district people who have come here. எல்லாருக்கும் வந்துட்டு all the best. இது வந்துட்டு நினச்சி கூட பார்க்க முடியாத ஒரு விஷயம் தான் ரியலாகவே. And I thank all the management staff who are here.
Hi, I'm TVSA. I'm from Velammal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam. I'm here for the Bodhi Fest. I'm here to play cricket. We are having a fair and healthy competition here. All the facilities provided are good. We get a great exposure here to play cricket. Thank you, Velammal, for this great opportunity.
My name is Damanbha Wajri. I came from Shillong and I study here in Velammal Bodhi Campus, Poneri. We have this Velammal Sports Festival. So thank you so much Velammal for this wonderful opportunity you're providing us.
Gayashni. I'm from Ology Tech School, Pilamedu, Coimbatore, and I took part in the Bodhi Sports Festival. Honestly, I would say that this was an amazing event, and I also made new friends where they came from all the different schools. Overall, I like this experience very much, and also I would say I learned a lot of new things. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Adiban, one of the proud alumni of Velammal School. I did my schooling in Velammal, so it's been a great honor for me to come back and revisit my childhood memories. I saw a lot of kids and it was very nice to see their passionate faces, and I hope become a great chess player in the future. Thank you.